Hi and welcome to the Insight District. If you enjoy this video, feel free to like it and subscribe to my page. In this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to replace the air filter. I'm not going to be replacing the air filter today, but this is just the process that you follow to replace it. So all you need to do is disconnect the MAF sensor cable. You do this by pulling this red clip out, pulling the cable forward. There is 3 metal clips, 1, 2, 3. Before you disconnect this cable, make sure your engine's off. Don't leave the car running while you do it, otherwise you'll get engine faults. Once you have disconnected the 3 clips and remove the cable, you can then proceed to lift up the airbox cover. Once you have lifted up the cover, you'll then see the air filter and you'll be able to move it. I have a K&N filter in my car at the moment. You can give the casing a wipe out when you're done, when you're replacing the filter, and then you place the new filter back in. With the stock filters, they have a keyway that you can locate, but with the K&N filters, they're just a drop-in filter. You then place the cover back over the top and sit it roughly in place. You'll know when it's in the right spot because it'll sit firmly. You then secure the clips back up. There's 3 clips once again. And push the sensor back in. Push the red clip in, and that's how you change an air filter. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to like it and subscribe to my channel for more other videos. Thank you for watching.